Have you ever wondered how French people seem to enjoy croissants, cheese, and wine without a second thought? It flies in the face of everything we've been taught about healthy eating, which usually involves a long list of things we're supposed to give up. For decades, the path to health has been paved with restriction, but the French lifestyle points to a different, much more enjoyable road. The truth is, their secret isn't about deprivation at all. It's about pleasure. They've mastered a set of timeless habits that make healthy living feel surprisingly effortless. In this video, I'm sharing 10 of those secrets, from time-honored traditions to a few modern, science-backed tips that will help you live a healthier and, frankly, more delicious life. First up, the golden rule of French eating. Always choose quality over quantity. In France, food culture is all about pleasure and fresh, flavorful ingredients, not just piling a plate high. This means choosing one perfect, decadent pastry from a real bakery over an entire box of processed, sugary cookies from the supermarket. Here's the actionable tip. Upgrade your treats. Instead of buying in bulk, treat yourself to one incredible piece of dark chocolate or a small serving of artisanal cheese. You'll find that truly savoring an intense, delicious flavor is way more satisfying than mindlessly eating a large amount of something mediocre. It's a simple shift that naturally helps you eat less. This brings us to our second hack. Mastering portion control, the French way. Their secret isn't about avoiding rich foods. It's about enjoying them in smaller, more sensible amounts. And this isn't an illusion. Actual portion sizes in France, for everything from yogurt to restaurant meals, are noticeably smaller than in many other Western countries. They eat the cheese, the bread, and the dessert, but in moderation. A typical meal might end with a small piece of cheese or fruit instead of a giant slice of cake. Hack number 3 is all about structure. The French traditionally eat 3 distinct meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What they don't do is snack all day long. That mid-morning run to the vending machine or that late afternoon bag of chips? It's just not part of the routine. This structure helps regulate your appetite and avoids the mindless grazing that's so often linked to weight gain. If kids have a snack, it's usually a structured afternoon gouter, not a pantry free-for-all. In France, a meal is an event, not a race. They practice what we now call mindful eating, savoring their food slowly and without distractions. This means sitting down at a table, putting the phone away, and turning off the TV. When you focus on the flavors and textures of your food, you don't just enjoy it more. You also give your brain the 20 minutes or so it needs to register that you're full, which is one of the best ways to prevent overeating. Traditionally, the French eat their largest meal at midday. Lunch can be a leisurely multi-course affair, maybe a starter, a main dish, and a small cheese course or dessert. Dinner, on the other hand, is usually much lighter. This approach gives your body the whole afternoon to digest and burn off that fuel for energy, instead of sending you to bed on a heavy, calorie-dense meal. While many diet trends have waged a war on fat, the French have always embraced it. In moderation, of course. Their diet unapologetically includes whole-fat cheese, full-fat yogurt, and real butter. These natural, healthy fats are far more satisfying than their low-fat, often heavily processed counterparts. They make you feel full and satisfied, which helps kill cravings for empty calories later on. You're not likely to find giant cups of soda on most French dinner tables. The drinks of choice are simple. Water is number 1, and a moderate amount of red wine is often enjoyed with meals. Just this one swap can cut a massive source of hidden sugars and empty calories from your diet. Ditching sugary drinks is one of the easiest and most effective changes anyone can make. The real cornerstone of the French diet isn't found in fancy restaurants. It's in the home kitchen. Cooking at home is the norm in France, and it gives you total control over every single ingredient. This automatically slashes your intake of the processed additives, excess salt, hidden sugars, and unhealthy fats that are rampant in most takeout and fast food. Throughout the day in France, it's common to see people sipping on tisanes, or herbal teas. Caffeine-free infusions like linden, tilleul, verbena, verveine, or chamomile, are enjoyed not just for hydration, but as a gentle way to aid digestion, soothe the nerves, or simply enjoy a relaxing ritual. It's a simple, calming habit that feels both traditional and incredibly wise. Our final hack isn't a traditional French practice, but it's inspired by their food-centric wisdom and backed by modern science. To avoid the energy crashes and cravings that come from a blood sugar roller coaster, try this simple trick. Change the order in which you eat your food. Start your meal with fiber-rich vegetables first. Studies have shown that eating a salad or some greens before you move on to proteins and carbs helps slow down the absorption of glucose, keeping your energy levels stable and your hunger under control. So the French secret really isn't a restrictive diet, it's a mindset. It's about slowing down, finding real joy in your food, and always choosing quality over quantity. It's about turning meals back into a pleasurable ritual instead of just another task to get through. You don't have to adopt all 10 of these at once. Just start with 1 or 2 that speak to you. Maybe you'll start making lunch your biggest meal of the day, or perhaps you'll swap your afternoon soda for a calming herbal tea. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to subscribe for more ideas on how to live a healthier, happier life. And I'd love to know, which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below.